Humanity. It's on the same level as insanity. It's a state of mind, a disorder, a utter foolish. Who does this? It's our human race that do this. The word selfish, it applied to us all. The short, fat, skinny, and tall. United we stand, so divided we fall. We're segregated as we grow, building this brick wall around our true person. When every single soul is perfect. When you give off too much or too less, that be signs of rehearsing. Be free. Yell, shout, scream. Now that's the sounds of birthing. We have to first canvas our children, but still supply the nurture. Because once they become astray, the devil will begin to pray. God bless the child who believe in their own, even if you took the path to walk with them alone. Cause family flows like the ocean current. Family's statue of liberty is which their lives will become of it. E. Roosevelt quotes, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Our dreams are only words unless you put them to action. You can talk till your lips bleed. Now that's a reaction. But who wants a life with no satisfaction? I had this dream. God took those who took life for granted. Our dreams is how we receive our messages. Our message conceives our blessing. It's enough when people try to dictate your thoughts and change you into their idea person. Humanity is that impact to show your true person. Now it's time for us as individuals to rise, come together, and feel something. The clouds cry, the storm builds a pain. The sun shines while it rains. That's a smile covering a shame. It's these bad experiences that brings out stereotypes. This is why my PowerPoint steps with me through life. Trust comes from the heart as love comes from your soul. Who you are and what you accomplish will forever unfold. Now after our body done turn into corpse and our corpse done turn into ashes, it be the same as fasting, taking pills and drinking gin. It's like AIDS spread like a rash over your skin. Humanity is that word, us as people we pass by. Being human is deeper than he, she, or I. Being human is deeper than he, she, or I.